Okay, I think I'm recording. Let's do my solution here. So I'll set this up as a kind of table problem. So section 1, section 2. What columns do I need? I want B, I want D, I want area, I want first order, first moment of area. Anything else at the moment? Nothing else at the moment I can see. So I also need my sections, so the column for that. So section 1, section 2. So B is going to be 120. We're working millimeters. 2 will be 140. D is going to be 30 and 25. Need my calculator. So 120 times 30. I should have done Y, so let's put that in there. 140 times 25. Let's rub this out. Let's put it in the Y's. And then we have the AY's. Okay, so the Y's, the first one here, half of that will be 15. Half of this is 12.5 plus 30, I make that 42.5. Okay, let's work out the AY's. Okay, dokie, and now we will work out where the neutral axis is. Sum of AY's divided by sum of A's. So the sum of AY's are that much. Sum of A's that much. So that gives me a Y bar of 28.556. I guess that's about right. So that's my Y bar. So the next thing, what columns do we want next? Well, you probably want H. So H is your Y, take away your Y neutral axis, or the other way around, doesn't make any difference. So 28.556, take away 42.5, ignore the minus sign, and we get 13.944. Again, working in millimeters, 28.556, take away 15. 13.556. Okay. All right. So next what we're going to do? Next, we're going to work out, I think, the 12ths B D to the power 3's. So we look at our first two columns. So you've got 120 times 30 to the power 3. Divide that by 12. The numbers are getting big, so press the Eng button. So 270 times 10 to the 3. Next one, 25 to the power of 3 times by 140 divided by 12. Once you've started getting things 10 to the power of 3s, then press your Eng button, make everything the same. So here we get 182 times 10 to the 3. Now let's work out our h squareds. So we've got our a's here, we've got our h's here, which we need to remember to square. So 13.556, square it, times by 3600. Press the Eng button. 661. It's working rounded up units. 662 times 10 to the 3. 13.944. Square it, times by 3,500. And that's 6.8. Round it up again. 1 times 10 to the 3. So our I is going to be the sum of our 12ths BDs to the power of 3 plus the AH squareds. So we're going to add up all these things in these two columns. What do we get? So you can ignore the 10 to the 3s and just add up 270 plus 182 plus 662 plus 681. And that gives me 1.795 times 10 to the power 6. That's in millimeters to the power 4, easier to work in millimeters. And then if I wanted to make that into meters, remember meters is going to be to the power 4, so we're going to reduce this by 10 to the power 12. So that would become 1.795 times 10 to the minus 6. Okay, solved. Let's check that out.